Yo, what's up everybody? It's Beyond Basics Facts. We're diving headfirst into the future, except it's not some distant reality, it's happening right now. Think flying cars, computers that think like us, and personalized medicine that sounds straight out of a sci-fi movie. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and get ready for a wild ride as we uncover 10 mind-blowing things about the future that are already here. All right, first up, we're talking self-driving cars. You've probably heard about them, seen the headlines, maybe even taken a ride in one. But seriously, how cool is this tech? We're at a point where you can literally hop in a car, punch in your destination, and boom, it takes the wheel. Companies like Tesla and Waymo, they're leading the charge here. These aren't just prototypes anymore. These are cars you can actually buy and drive, or, well, be driven in. They use a crazy combination of sensors, AI, and machine learning to navigate traffic, follow road rules, and even park themselves. Imagine no more road rage, no more stressful commutes, just pure, uninterrupted chill time while your car does all the work. It's like having your own personal chauffeur, but instead of a guy in a hat, it's a computer. And let's be real, the computer's probably a better driver anyway. The future of transportation is here, and it's autonomous. Okay, get this. 3D printing, the tech that lets you create almost anything from a computer model, is now being used to create organs. Yeah, you heard that right, actual human organs. We're talking hearts, kidneys, livers, the works. Now, before you freak out, we're not quite at the point where you can order a new liver on Amazon. This tech is still in its early stages, but the potential is absolutely mind-blowing. Scientists are using 3D printers to create incredibly detailed models of organs for research, and even functional tissues for transplant trials. Imagine a world where organ donation waiting lists are a thing of the past, where if you need a new organ, doctors can just print one out, perfectly matched to your body. This tech has the potential to revolutionize medicine, offering hope to millions of people waiting for life-saving transplants. Quantum computing. Even the name sounds futuristic, right? But trust me, this is some next-level stuff. Imagine a computer so powerful, it can solve problems in seconds that would take our current computers thousands, maybe even millions of years. Now, traditional computers, they use bits, which are like tiny switches that can be either 0 or 1. Quantum computers, on the other hand, they use qubits. And here's where it gets wild. Qubits can be both 0 and 1 at the same time. This mind-bending tech has the potential to revolutionize everything from medicine and material science to artificial intelligence and cryptography. Companies like Google and IBM are pouring billions into quantum computing research, and the race is on to build the first truly functional quantum computer. It's a whole new era of computing, and we're just scratching the surface of what it can do. Chapter 4: Robots in Everyday Life. More than just Roombas. All right, let's talk robots. No, not the Terminator kind, at least not yet. I'm talking about the robots that are already part of our everyday lives, you know, like those robot vacuums that roam around your house, sucking up dirt like little automated cleaning ninjas. But it goes way beyond that. We've got robots in factories assembling cars, robots in hospitals assisting surgeons, even robot pets keeping people company. Remember Abo, the robot dog? Yeah, that's the thing. They're taking over tasks that are dangerous, repetitive, or just plain boring, freeing us up to focus on, well, more human stuff. And as this technology continues to advance, who knows what the future holds? Maybe one day we'll have robot chefs whipping up Michelin star meals, or robot personal assistants managing our schedules and doing our taxes. Chapter 5: VR and AR. Reality remixed. Let's talk virtual reality and augmented reality, VR and AR. Now, these technologies have been around for a while, but they're finally starting to live up to the hype. Remember those clunky VR headsets from the 90s? Yeah, we've come a long way. Today's VR headsets are like portals to other worlds. You can explore ancient ruins, swim with sharks, even walk on the moon, all from your living room. And it's not just for gaming anymore. VR is being used for everything from training surgeons to treating PTSD to creating immersive educational experiences. And then there's AR, which overlays digital information onto the real world. VR and AR have the potential to change the way we work, learn, play, and interact with the world around us. Chapter 6. AI in Healthcare. The future of medicine is now. We're now entering the age of AI-powered healthcare, and it's already transforming the medical field in some pretty incredible ways. Imagine algorithms that can analyze medical images with superhuman accuracy, detecting diseases like cancer earlier than ever before. Or how about AI systems that can sift through mountains of data to develop personalized treatment plans tailored to your unique genetic makeup and lifestyle? This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. AI is also being used to develop new drugs and therapies, accelerate clinical trials, and even predict potential health risks before they even arise. It's like having an army of digital doctors working behind the scenes, crunching data and providing insights that can help us live longer, healthier lives. AI isn't here to replace doctors, it's here to augment their abilities, giving them the tools and insights they need to provide even better care. Remember when a smart home meant having a clap-on light switch? Yeah, those were the days. Now we're talking about homes that are so connected, so intuitive, they practically run themselves. Imagine walking into your house and having the lights automatically turn on, the temperature adjusts to your liking, and your favorite playlists start playing on the speakers. That's the power of a truly smart home. With devices like smart speakers, smart thermostats, and connected appliances, you can control almost every aspect of your home with your voice or a few taps on your phone. Forgot to turn off the oven? No problem, just do it from your phone. Want to make sure your doors are locked while you're on vacation? Easy peasy. The smart home of the future is all about convenience, efficiency, and peace of mind. Chapter 8. Advanced prosthetics beyond human limitations. Prosthetic limbs have come a long way from the clunky wooden legs of the past. Today we're talking about high-tech bionic limbs that can mimic the movements of a human hand with incredible precision. Imagine a prosthetic arm that can not only grip and manipulate objects but also provide sensory feedback, allowing the user to feel what they're touching. That's the level of sophistication we're reaching with modern prosthetics. These advancements are being driven by breakthroughs in robotics, materials science, and neuroscience. Researchers are developing prosthetics that can be controlled with thoughts using brain-computer interfaces that translate neural signals into movement. The future of prosthetics is all about restoring lost function and improving quality of life in ways that were once unimaginable. Chapter 9. Smart wearables, your health on your wrist. Remember when a watch just told time? Now smartwatches are like mini computers on your wrist, tracking everything from your heart rate and sleep patterns to your steps and calories burned. But it's not just about fitness tracking anymore. Smart wearables are becoming increasingly sophisticated in their ability to monitor our health, providing valuable insights that can help us make informed decisions about our well-being. Imagine a smartwatch that can detect early signs of a heart attack or stroke, or a fitness tracker that can analyze your sweat to monitor your hydration levels in real time. As sensor technology continues to advance and AI algorithms become more sophisticated, smart wearables have the potential to revolutionize healthcare. Chapter 10. Renewable energy innovations. Powering the future, sustainably. All right, let's talk about something that affects us all. Energy. As our dependence on technology grows, so does our need for clean, sustainable energy sources. And the good news is, we're making some serious progress in that department. From solar and wind power to hydroelectric and geothermal energy, renewable energy sources are becoming increasingly efficient and affordable. We're talking about solar panels that can generate more power than ever before, wind turbines that can harness the power of even the gentlest breeze, and hydroelectric dams that can power entire cities without releasing harmful emissions. Homeowners are installing solar panels on their roofs. Electric cars are becoming more commonplace, and entire communities are committing to using 100% renewable energy. The transition to a clean energy future is well underway. and it's being driven by technological innovation, government policies, and a growing awareness of the need to protect our planet. So there you have it, 10 mind-blowing things about the future that are already here. From self-driving cars and 3D printed organs to quantum computers and AI-powered healthcare, the future is closer than we think. It's a future shaped by technology, innovation, and a relentless pursuit of progress. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the future, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more mind-blowing content from Beyond Basics Facts. Let us know in the comments which future tech surprised you the most. Until next time, keep exploring the world around you and never stop questioning the impossible.